Let's start with the last one. I've always heard that Ljubljana was a fantastic city. I've had several students from Slovenia in my department in Copenhagen. I met several of them here, and they've always said, come to Ljubljana, and it's a wonderful city, and it may need a caring hand, so we could have a good time. I come here at this point because I have a very busy travel schedule, and I just found some time to come here. And who invited me? I think it is the city, but I don't quite know. I could say that there are many cities and many projects which are very eager to have a more human approach to the planet, and it could be lucrative, I'm sure, but we are not interested in lucrative jobs. We have ethics in the firm saying that we are not out here to earn money. We are out here to make a better world, and if a project is not going to improve the conditions for the people and improve the climate, the environment, whatever, we'll not be part of it. And we don't take jobs because they are well paid, we take jobs because they are meaningful. And sometimes we take jobs and paid nothing. We call it Robin Hood work. In developing countries, that has happened several times.